May this message find the right people at the right time. God is saying that this season of your life has not been easy, but you are in the season finale. And baby, woo, hey! This next chapter, this next era, you've been prepared for this, you've been purified, and you are worthy of all the goodness, all of the goodness that is destined and meant for you now. Over the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to have some really good karma for the last 5 to 10 years of the painful cycle that you've had to close. And it's starting now. If this message has found you, it means it's starting now. That the timeline, that the season finale is wrapping up and you're entering that new era. And oh, is it sweet, and oh, is it delicious having to get here after all of that. You had to really learn how to find the sweetness beyond the bitterness, how to be the hero of your story, how to not be in victim mode, how to take your power back, how to really become the confident, embodied adult that you needed as a child. And you've become this version of yourself that you've been praying for. And now over the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to evolve into this next version of yourself that you've been dreaming of and you've seen, and you've done the inner work, and you're the type of person that you're going to continue to do the inner work. You know that this earth school, that this life, that this journey, you know, you understand it, that as long as you're breathing, you got stuff that you're learning, things that you're healing. That's the whole point of this earth school, of the journey. Owls are coming through. Owls might be very significant for you. Blue jays, birds in general might be very significant for you. But Spirit is saying to stop and slow down and take a deep breath and look around you at your life, at all that has changed, and be excited, because over the next 5 to 10 years, the change that's unfolding, it's starting rapidly too with this fire year of the horse. They're like, we're going to show you just why you had to go through that and what it prepared you for, what it purified you for. There's some really beautiful, big blessing that you are not expecting, that you've been hearing about, and your intuition and your spirit guides have been talking about, and it's coming in with the year of the horse. It's coming in with the springtime, wherever you are within the next 3 to 4 months, that something's coming in that you have been prepared for. And this is a very grounded and simple message. If you've made it this far in the video, not everybody does. It's definitely for you. Spirit is saying to stop and slow down and to look around you and to appreciate where you are right now, because it's about to look very different. Oh, Spirit, I feel that. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. I feel like you've been having some major chakra activations, upgrades, things with your crown chakra, your solar plexus. I'm just seeing the entire system. 7 chakra activation. You know, they are also highlighting to make sure to stay on top of your energy hygiene, being aware of what's around you, what energies aren't yours, what is yours that you're carrying around, and to make sure to stay on top of your energy hygiene. But you have some really good karma coming in. That's the message now. That's going to be the title of this video. You have some really good karma coming in. You might be somebody who's very close to the trees. You might resonate very deeply with the fae, the elementals, the nature spirits, the dragons. You probably talk to the animal spirits, you know, the rocks, the stone people. You're very rare. You're very special. And you have some good, rare, special blessings coming in for you. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. There's like this energy that like you don't feel worthy to receive it. Like I just felt something try to reject it. Oh, you deserve this. You are worthy of this. You deserve this. Laughter is the medicine. Someone needs to hear that. Laughter is the medicine to help shift and get you out of the state of suffering. Thank you. We're gonna confirmation. Confirmation. Whew. Yeah. Whatever that weird interference just was, you are worthy of it. Laugh through whatever bullshit or things whatever roadblocks try to come at you. Full steam ahead. I'm just seeing the fire horse. I'm seeing the Knight of Wands. Ooh, excuse me, confirmation burp. Power activation. Yeah. Whew. Is there anything else for this collective that they need to hear? You are so loved and so protected. And you are worthy, my dear. And it's going to get a lot better now. That chapter, that season was painful. It has certain lessons that you came here to learn in Earth School. And now that cycle, that chapter is closed. And a whole new era, whole new season is beginning. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. Aho. I hope that this message served you well. If you would like to work deeper in a private session, I offer Reiki and readings. I do shamanic clearings in those as well. And I have private mentorship or the Remembrance Mystery School. You can check out my online workshops. I have Reiki training. Oh, there's a sale right now, depending on when you're watching this. My Remember course is on sale. Go check that out. Go check that out if you're feeling called to it, you're feeling spicy. But yeah, everything I offer is linked in the description. And I hope that this served you well. All right, have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. And I send you so much love.